So looking forward to hosting our No Pressure Prospecting Bootcamp coming up at the end of May, early June. Rich Austin, your facilitator here. Figured I'd share with you what you're going to get out of it, what the intended goals are, what you're going to walk away with. So number one, prospecting, hunting for new business proactively is the lifeblood of any business. It can be very difficult. There's a lot of rejection. And if we're not hyper-personalizing our message and we're not clearly going after our ideal client profile, it's going to be very difficult for us to be successful. So what are we going to do here? We've got templates, we've got structure, we've got actionable walkaway assets that are going to put us in position to actually have a no pressure prospecting template that we can execute, some voicemails that actually work, sequences and templates that we can utilize for on-the-channel or multi-touch prospecting efforts that are going to get the attention of the prospect. Probably most importantly, giving ourselves equal business stature as we go throughout our day hunting for net new business. So if this sounds like you, we look forward to seeing you here. Take care. Thank you.